I got up and made pancakes for my daughter and I. My daughter likes Mickey Mouse pancakes, so I made a few of those for her. Made some pancakes for myself. I like the Bliss bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. I think she's enjoying them. She said, how many pancakes have you had this morning? 3? 4? Yeah, you like Mickey pancakes? After breakfast, I installed the fixture. We painted our bathroom, but now we're going to replace the light. My wife is working on that, staining the cabinets, and I installed the new fixture there. After working on our bathroom, I headed outside. So a couple weeks ago when we got snow, our mailbox got knocked over. So I'm in the process of fixing our mailbox today. Our mailbox has been here since we moved in, and the post had rotted out. Alright, so I got the new 4x4 put in, and now I'm just putting some metal flashing on the outside of it to protect it. So I had to dig a new hole, get a new 4x4, and put the new post in. I had to run a few errands, and so after getting several things done today, I decided to get a couple beers for myself. I found Dogfish Head 120 while I was out, and this evening played Colt Express with Brady, moved some of the furniture in our room, and that's about it. I'm going to say my item of the day is the light that we put in our bathroom. There's a new Saturday Night Live on tonight, so I'll see you tomorrow.